Hi guys, hope you're all good. And myself, I'm fine. So today I want us to do a fringe organization. My fringe is not in a good shape. I want us to arrange together. I'll show you my before and after. So let's get to work. This is my before. I'm been lazy to organize it. So we'll do it together. This is my freezer. Let's now get to work. So this, make sure your vegetables and actually the tomatoes and the fruit are clean before you arrange them in the fridge. So we'll take care of all this and arrange them in order. So ensure your fridge is clean. Use some warm water and water like this, and make sure your fridge is spotlessly clean before storing your stuff. You can see there was some cake in the fridge. The cream is stuck. Ensure you take it all out. Ensure the inner parts. Like now this cream is stuck here. I have to scrub it. That's why I say that you should use warm water. You see it's out. And our fringe is clean. So once you're sure your fringe is clean, you can start arranging your things in there. So make sure that all that you want to put in the fringe is clean. So we wash our tomatoes, all the fruit that we need to store. After you've washed, dry them up. Don't keep them in the fridge when they're wet. For tomatoes, ensure you have paper towels spread on this tray so that they don't they absorb the moisture. You know the tomatoes spoil so fast, so we'll cover our tray with some serviette or paper towels. It will go a long way. Then ensure this part is the one facing down on your tray. that. And if you have so many of them, you can blend and put in a container and put them in the freezer. They'll last more longer. For the mangoes, you just wipe them properly. So you need a cling film and aluminium foil. I will be showing you where to use them. So like cabbage, just wrap it with a cling film, and you're going to go. That way you preserve it this way to know it will take a bit longer to go bad. So cover it properly and store it. Ensure you've covered round, no space for air. That one is done. For coriander underneath, if you have a lot, cut it and put it in the freezer. Or if this just little, use a container. This is just a peanut butter container that I've recycled. Put it like that with some water, but remember to change. Then cover it with a plastic paper like that. That way it will last longer. Like that. Coriander is done. For oranges, I'll just put them in the bottom part of my fridge, plus lemons. But for the, what are they called? Oh, we use a cling film, cover it well. I don't often use them, so that they last for long. I'll just cover them properly with my cling film. That is set. This a kale or skuma. I also use a cling film to cover them. This one will go a long way. They will take long before they get burned. So let's cover this. And if you have a lot of them, you can also freeze them, cuttings, and put in the containers and put them in your freezer. So one thing, bananas, if you want them to stay for long and if you have large quantities, just use some aluminum foil to cover this place. It stops the ripening of the bananas. These ones I can just put them on the counter or where there is space in my kitchen. Onions, just ensure they are dry enough or put them out in the sun and place them in the drawers for the counter. They will go a long way. You don't put them in the fridge. If you have a lot of garlic, just blend them, put them in a container and add some oil. You preserve them better that way. If you have a lot of carrots, put them in a container like this and some water. Like that. They will stay for longer when they are stored in water. And you just put them in your fridge. What are we left with? For the leftovers food, I just put them in these containers and put them in the fridge. And for the cereals, I divide them into small portions and put them in the freezer. This camembert plus this green peas, yeah, and also my meat. When I buy it, I portion it into small portions that you're able to consume once, and I put them in the freezer. So let me show you the last part of my these are my leftover chapatis. I also use a cling film to cover them, or you can use the aluminium foil, whichever works for you. So I'll show you the last thing in my fridge. So for the bananas, once I've put the foil, I'll just leave them on the counter, plus onions and garlic. When I don't have many of them, I just leave them there. That is sorted. Our dania is down there, our yogurt, our milk, our juices, our mala, this soy sauce. Down here we have the fruits, oranges, lemon, mangoes, and my carrot stoned in water. Then there's tomatoes there, bell pepper. My leftovers chapatis, and I just leave them here. I know you consume this soon, but if it's a lot, I normally put them in the freezer. Then there's the melon and my vegetables. Then up here there's some eggs. In the freezer, normally I buy meat and subdivide it into small portions. You have some milk. I have to restock this. It's almost over. Up here we have camembert and minji. When I have a lot of coriander or dania, I cut it and put it in the freezer. We have our ice cubes here. Sometimes we need them when it's so hot. Then we have our sausages. And that's how the fridge looks like now. It looks much, much, much better. So that is it for today about the fridge organization, and hope these tips will help you preserve your food in a better way. So see you in another video. Bye guys. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always subscribing. For my existing subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's why the far I am, almost 500 subscribers, is because of you. And for the new subscribers, feel at home. Welcome to our world. Let's continue watching, liking, sharing, commenting. Give me ideas of what you want me to do. Yeah. Let's grow together. And if you have not yet subscribed, please, 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 please subscribe. Don't forget to put on the notification bell. You like, you comment, you can share. Yeah. Please, you are not charged to do that. Please do that. Thank you. Bye.